Hi, hello my tech people, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, this video is about Rank Math SEO plugin. In this video we will learn how to set up, how to activate video sitemap in Rank Math. So before we start the video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel so you don't miss any latest video. So for that we have to visit our dashboard here in WordPress. After we visit our WordPress dashboard here, we already have here Rank Math SEO plugin. We have to visit Rank Math SEO plugin dashboard here. Okay, so in the dashboard we have option here module options, where we can activate different modules. We have a image SEO, analytics, instant indexing, local SEO, news sitemap, restrictions, video sitemap. You will see here video sitemap. Before we enable this video sitemap, make sure you also enable this structure data schema, we call it. You have to also enable this one. Okay, we already enabled this one, structure data schema. After you enable this module, scroll down to video sitemap. We also have to enable video sitemap here. After you enable video sitemap here, you will see setting button here. Click on setting right way. When you click on setting, this will be the dashboard here, where we have a video sitemap. We will found this video sitemap here, and downside we have option hide sitemap from the visitor, normal visitor. If you want to hide your sitemap from the visitor of from your website, you can simply hide your sitemap. Otherwise you can keep it disabled. Next option we have here video post type. You have to choose the post type here, where you mostly upload your videos content. Mostly we upload our videos in the post. If you have video available in the pages, you can also enable this option. As downside we have option for the landing pages. So let me activate here. Let me enable this post option here and click save changes. Okay, we have already saved changes now. So let me go to now post. Let me add new post with video. So I will show you how it works and how you can add your video sitemap manually to Search Console, and what will be the sitemap for the videos. I will show you. So let me go to post here. Click add new post. After you click add new post, now we will name our post video. Video sitemap, actually if your website has YouTube tutorials, courses or a movie website, then you can use video sitemap. Mostly video sitemap, what that do, that will help you to display your videos in the Google search, as well as those might can be ranked in the Google same way. Let me show you here. So as you can see here, in the Google search we have a one video along with the post title here, and your videos will be start showing in the Google result similar way here, look like this. Okay, let me bring you back on the dashboard. So let me give the title for my video, for my post. Okay, rank math tutorial. And then if you want to write your post, if you want to add your video within the post, then you can do same way. So here I'm just only teaching you how to add video, and which will start showing in your video sitemap. So here you can write your blog post first, then you have to decide where you want to display your video. Just you have to click plus icon. If you're using Elementor, then you also have a option to add videos directly. You can put your YouTube link or other video. You also can upload your manually your videos to the media library. Okay, let me choose here YouTube. Okay, after I choose YouTube URL here option, I have to put my YouTube video URL here. Let me copy. I have just to copy one video URL. Let me paste my URL here and click on embed. What this will do, this will display display the video within the post. As you can see, we have already uploaded the video in our post. After you upload your video or tutorial here, so as you can see, we have successfully embedded our video in the post. Let me publish my post right away. Click on publish and it's now publishing. After publish our post, I will show you the changes in the sitemap. You have to wait till we successfully publish our post. As you can see, we have successfully published our post. Okay, let me visit back to here, Rank Math SEO. Let me click on sitemap setting. After you visit sitemap setting, we will again go to video sitemap. So here, this will be our video sitemap here. Let me open my video sitemap here. Okay, you have to just click this link. This will be your video sitemap. So next step, once you click this sitemap URL, as you can see, we have already a video with the title, description. It will pick the description, video description automatic, but you have to go through step by step. When you upload new post, then you can add some focus keyword title descriptions in the post. Let me show you. Click on post, all post. For the better ranking, that's I will recommend you use rank math tool in order to provide focus keyword title and description in your particular post. Okay, let me open my latest post here. Okay, this is the post we just uploaded, we just published, and now you will see here upper side rank math icon here. Here you have to click on edit snippet. Before you edit snippet, you have to provide your focus keyword. My focus keyword will be here rank math SEO, or that your focus keyword might be different, so you have to follow your focus keyword. After you provide your focus keyword, then you have to edit snippet, provide your title and description. You can set your permalink in the permalink option. After you provide your title, description, and you set your permalink for the video, then you have to update your settings. Okay, so we have already now video sitemap. As you can see, video sitemap. This video sitemap is generated by RankMath WordPress SEO plugin. It is what search engine like Google use to find and understand the video content. Yeah, this is true. What a video sitemap actually tells Google that your website has just video content, and Google will read that particular post which has video. Google will start displaying in the search results. That's very helpful only with the RankMath SEO plugin. So now the next step we have here, as you can see, we already have our video sitemap. Now if you just update your RankMath SEO for the video sitemap, you can manually add to Google Search Console. For that, you have to visit Google Search Console and click on Sitemaps. When you click on Sitemap, then you have to provide your video sitemap here. So this will tells Google that your website has new module video sitemap that will start crawling your website again. So I hope you like my video. In next video I will bring more nice tutorial about RankMath. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate.